all the stress of all of the challenges, I am sitting here engaging in what I tell you you need to do, which is good self-care. I am sitting on my veranda of my cabin and watching the wildlife and the birds, and it's like sitting on your porch and friends drop by. And I'm going to spoil myself with, one just went by. I'm going to spoil myself with an hour's massage. Boy, after the challenges of this last few days, even though we have found the solution, I'm going to indulge in a bit of rest and a little bit of prep for the big day tomorrow, which is day 1 gorilla trekking. The trees are just full of them. They love these little berries. Can you see the little orange berries in there? They stop by like a drive-through, to get a little snack. And the bird song is so wonderful. It's so relaxing, and I'm so grateful that they moved me to this lodge, this cabin rather, because it's just like a little piece of heaven. We were having a terrible time with the internet, and we found out what the problem was, and we think we have a solution. So Braden and I are going to meet tonight via Zoom, and we're going to problem solve it. I hope you have had the same perseverance on your challenges that you've had from the time I started this project. So I've asked, I don't know if it's possible or not, but I've asked if they know of a gorilla family that is friendly, curious, and playful. I thought it might be really neat to have a family that engages. So let's see. It's going to be great anyway. Take care. And I hope that you are overcoming your challenges, whatever they are today, yesterday, and the day before. We were fellow travelers.